Olá, galerinha do YouTube, eu sou a Teacher Bia e hoje a gente vai aprender a cantar a música Save Your Tears da banda The Weeknd e da Ariana Grande. Let's go! Primeira parte é assim, ó. I saw you dancing. A W em inglês sempre tem som de O, tá? Então não é saw, é só. I saw you dancing in a crowded room. I saw you dancing in a crowded room. You look so happy when I'm not with you. You look so happy when I'm not with you. But then you saw me caught you by surprise. But then you saw me call you by surprise. A single teardrop falling from your eye. A single teardrop falling from your eye. I don't know why I run away. Junta. I don't know why I run away. I'll make you cry when I run away. I'll make you cry when I run away. Próxima parte. You could have asked me. Esse could have é abreviação de could have. Poderia ter feito alguma coisa. Could have done. You could have asked me. Nesse caso, você poderia ter me perguntado. Why I broke your heart. You could have asked me why I broke your heart. You could have, mais uma vez, told me that you fell apart. Junta. You could have told me that you fell apart. But you walked past me like I wasn't there. But you walked it past me like I wasn't there. And just, o T vai cair ali, and just pretended, som de I, não de E, tá? Pretended like you didn't care. And just pretending like you didn't care. Repete. I don't know why I ran away. I'll make you cry when I run away. Refrão, vamos lá. Take me back, 'cause I, junta, wanna stay. Take me back, 'cause I wanna stay. Save your tears for another. Another. Save your tears for another. Save your tears for another day. Repete. Save your tears for another day. Próxima parte. So, I made you think that I, junta, would always, junta e esse D de would vai virar um Rzinho. Would always stay. No ritmo da música. So, I made you think that I would always stay. I said, com som de E mesmo. I said some things that I should never say. I said some things that I should never say. Yeah, I broke your heart like someone did to mine. Yeah, I broke your heart like someone did to mine. And now you won't love me for a, junta, for a second time. And now you won't love me for a second time. cantar Make You Cry When I Run Away. Said I'll make you cry when I run away. Repete o refrão e bota girl no início, assim, ó. Girl, take me back, 'cause I wanna stay. Save your tears for another. Aqui a gente tem uma parte diferente, ó. I realize that I'm, junta, that I'm much too late. I realize that I'm much too late. And you deserve someone better. And you deserve someone better. Save your tears for another day. Save your tears for another day. Save your tears for another day. I don't know why I run away. I'll make you cry when I run away. Save your tears for another day. I said save your tears for another day. Repete. Save your tears for another day. Esses vizinhos hoje. Save your tears for another day. Save your tears for another day. E foi isso aí, galerinha. Essa música da Ariana com The Weeknd. Se você não é inscrito nesse canal e gosta de aprender inglês com música, clica aqui em inscrever-se ou subscribe, whatever, e deixa seu like para saber que você gostou desse vídeo. Caso você queira alguma sugestão de música aqui no canal, só comentar aqui abaixo, tá bom? Te vejo no próximo vídeo. See you! Bye, bye!